What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be going to another car meet. And yeah, at this rate I'm gonna have daily content for you guys, you know, with all these car meets I've been going to. So yeah, if you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the previous car meet video. I'll have it up here in the corner of the video, and we're gonna get into it.
It's always the little kids.
Dude, this shit's fucking... It's pissing me off. This shit's clean though. Hey guys, what you think? We should try the Beamer in front Mustang or what?
Hell
What you think? Try the Beamer in front Mustang, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Check my head. That shit's clean, bro. The Evo. It's so loud. It's gonna be fucking 9 minutes. It's gonna be 9 minutes of gunshots. I know. Come on, let's see. Jesus. Over there. start pulling out. It's just crazy, guys. Hey, like, comment, subscribe for more vlogs. Watch out. Oh, it's regional transit police right here. You can tow nobody car. Look at these dudes, bruh. Got the whole block shut down. Why can't you go behind him? They're literally waiting to get someone, bruh. Follow this black car. Look, going behind the cop. Oh no, he's doing U-turn.
Okay. What are you doing, bro? Like, come on.
This is crazy, guys. Yeah, it was just getting good too. It's a good meet though. There's a lot of people.
There was a lot of people, and it was very nice. Yeah.
This was a pretty solid meet, guys. I don't usually go during the week. I usually only go during the weekends. But I'm trying to get you guys more content, so yeah, I didn't really get to walk around because the cops showed up, but hey, I got you guys some type of footage. So I try to get you as much footage as possible. As you can see, the meet got shut down. The cops are telling everybody to vacate or they're gonna start towing cars. So yeah, it's gonna do it for this vlog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.